Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so you can be notified when I go live or upload a new video, and please like this video. I want to first start off by saying that this is not a sponsored video, so let's go ahead and get started. Today I'm going to be making an easy 10 to 15 minute Skyline Chili meal, which is both filling and delicious. Before I get started, I want to give you a brief history of Skyline Chili and how it got started. Now, Ohio is known for a few things: the Bengals, Cincinnati Reds, Buckeyes, and Skyline Chili. We even have a candy after our Buckeye state called Buckeyes, which is so good. I'm hoping over the holidays I can show you how they are made. And if you guys are interested in learning how to make these for your family and you want me to show you how I do them, just leave them in the comment section and let me know. Let's get back to the history of Skyline Chili. Skyline Chili is a chain of Cincinnati-style chili restaurants based in Cincinnati, Ohio. It was basically founded in 1949 by a Greek immigrant, Nicholas Lambrinides. I hope I said his name right. Skyline Chili is named for the view of Cincinnati's skyline that Nicholas could see from his first restaurant. Now, Skyline Chili operates 160 restaurants in Ohio and a couple bordering states, and I believe it is also available in some parts of Florida. They are known for their small cheese conies and 3, 4, or 5 ways. The 3-way is simply spaghetti, chili, and cheese. The 4-way, you can add either chopped onions or beans. And the 5-way is you add the spaghetti, chili, cheese, onions, and beans. So you're having, it's a 5-way. You add all of those things together. So today I am going to be making the 3-way. I'm able to make it because Skyline offers their chili at most Walmart's or Kroger stores now in my area. I'm not sure if I'm sure it's not available at all Walmart's, but you could always try and see. Because I am sure that it's available at a lot of the Walmarts. So if you're interested in making it at home, you can see if it's available at your local Walmart or Kroger's. So let's go ahead and get started. You're basically going to just use 3 main ingredients. The first, of course, is the can of original Skyline Chili. You can get these at Walmart for, I would say, about $4, and I think I spent $4.89, $4.99, something like that. But 1 can will feed between 3 to 4 people. And if you need to, you can, what I usually do is sometimes I'll add like a half of a can of water with it, but you don't want to add too much water to it because you don't want it to be runny. Now, for larger families of, say, 4 to 8 people, you can buy another can. Buy 2 cans and then add 1 can of water with the 2 cans, and then you'll have plenty. The next thing you're going to want to get is a bag of mild cheddar cheese, shredded. Now you can get this, this bag is huge. You can get this big bag of cheese at Walmart I believe it's like $5.49, and it really goes a long way. The next thing you want to get is a box of spaghetti. At the restaurants, they usually use regular spaghetti. I use the Barilla thin spaghetti. Barilla, you can buy any brand that you want, but this one, it just has a better flavor and it cooks better. Now, I spent I believe it was like $1.29 for this at my local Walmart. And so basically for a family of 4, for everything I bought, you can, and I don't have a family of 4, but this will feed a family of 4 for at around $11, and it is quick, affordable, and easy to make. This can be served with salad, garlic bread, or oyster crackers, which the restaurant serves oyster crackers with it 3, 4, 5 ways. Today I'll be having oyster crackers with mine, so let's get started. We're just going to start with boiling the water, and I also do add salt so the spaghetti doesn't stick. Just boil your spaghetti and don't overcook it. Next, you will just heat up your chili in a saucepan. I did forget to mention that if you don't like cheese, onion, or beans on your 3, 4, or 5 ways, you can also just have a 2-way, which is just the spaghetti and chili. Here's the final touches, and I am ready to eat. Now, this is a very affordable meal. It's easy if you're like somebody that works a lot. This is a quick meal that you can make at home, literally 10-15 minutes. Quick, simple, easy, and then voila, you're done. The same thing applies for the cheese conies. Also, you can find the smaller buns and the smaller hot dogs and make you a cheese coney, which would be the hot dog, the chili, the cheese. You could also add onion. You can add ketchup with it, mustard. And they have this thing also where, I don't know what they call it. I think it's just a chili, like where they just put chili and cheese in a bun minus the hot dog, and that is delicious too. So you guys can mix and match this all up like you want to, but it's simple and it's easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. You guys have a wonderful day. And if you are ever in the Cincinnati area, don't forget to stop by Skyline Chili and try it out for yourself.